Today's our lecture is on different terms used for the case of cotton or any fiber, yarn and fabric. These terms are like lint, fluff and pilling. We will define these terms and what are the causes and what is their appearance and what are the examples in case of fabric or yarn. First, lint. Lint is loose, fine fiber bits, causes shedding of weak fibers. Here is the example or here is the appearance of lint. Second term is fluff. Fluff is light, soft fiber clusters, causes loose or soft fiber sheddings. This is the fluff. Light soft fiber cluster. In case of lint, it is loose fine fiber bits. Third is pilling. Pilling is tiny fiber balls on fabric surface. This is related to fabric. Appearance airy and soft tufts. Here is the appearance of pilling on fabric. So this is the lint fine fiber bits, and here is a fluff soft fiber clusters, and the last is pilling tiny fiber balls on fabric surface. Definition: when we define these terms, we can define the fluff. Fluff refers to a loose, soft, and fuzzy fibers that protrude from the surface of fabric, often giving it slightly hairy and fuzzy appearance. It is a natural characteristic of certain fabrics, especially those made from staple fibers like cotton, wool, and it can occur due to minimal wear and processing. So, this is the soft, loose, protruding fibers and mostly occur in natural fabrics like and made from staple fibers like cotton, wool, and other staple fibers. While the lint consists of loose fibers that detach from the fabric and accumulate as a small fluffy clumps or speaks, often sticking to other surface or fabrics. This is the loose fibers detached from fabric. And the last is pilling. Pilling is the formation of small tangled fiber balls on the fabric surface due to wear and friction. So these balls form when loose fiber mat together and adhere to the fabric. So we have very clearly defined the fluff, lint and pilling. In previous slides there are the examples or there are the appearance pattern of lint and fluff. In the last is pilling. Further, what are the causes of these problems? Why these problems are occur? When we discuss about the fluff, fluff occurs during the fabric production, example brushing or napping to create a soft texture as in flannel or form a light abrasion that loosen the surface fibers. It is not necessarily a sign of damage but can be intentionally for texture. So this is the reason for fluff. When we talk about the when we talk about the lint is caused by abrasion, washing, or friction that breaks off short fibers, especially in fabrics like cotton, wool, or blends. Dryers often collect lint in their filters or as a fiber shed during the tumbling. So these are the reasons of lint. Pilling, pilling occurs from repeated frictions or abrasion. Example, rubbing against skin, another fabric, or during the washing, especially in fabrics with a short or loose fibers or synthetic blends like polyester, it is the sign of wear and tear. So these one thing is common, that friction or abrasion is common in these problems. Appearance, we have shown the diagrams or pictures of these problems in initial slide. Appearance, when we discuss the appearance, fluff looks like uniform soft fuzzy layers on fabric surface, often enhancing the warmth and softness. For example, new fleece blanket has intentional fluff for coziness. And the case of lint, lint appears as a small loose fiber clumps or dust like particles that collect on clothing, furniture, or lint rollers. It is not attached to the fabric and can transfer easily. So this was the appearance structure of lint. In the For the case of pilling looks like a small round fuzzy balls or in knots on fabric surface, often in high friction areas like sleeves or ties. They remain attached to the fabric and can make it worn. So pilling is, you can say, the small balls like appearance, and lint is like a clusters or a clumps of fibers, and fluff is a uniform fuzzy or soft fibers like appearance. Examples Examples is fluff on fleece, flannel, or brushed cotton. Lint is on towels, cotton t-shirts, or wool sweaters are prone to shedding lint, especially when new or after washing. For the case of pilling is on knitwears, example sweaters, polyester blend, or low quality cotton fabrics are prone to pilling. So this was the overview of fluff, lint, and pilling. Here is the short summary. You can say the behavior or to how to identify. This is the lint, this is the fluff or pilling. Appearance is like lint appearance is loose fine bits, and fluff is light soft fiber clusters, while pilling is tiny balls on fabric surface. I hope by this lecture your concept how to identify its lint, its fluff or pilling would be very clear. See you in next lecture with detailed problems of lint, fluff and pilling, and how we can reduce it these problems on fabric.